Hey, smart shoppers. Welcome back to Smart Choice, where we help you make better buying decisions. Today, we're diving into something that's revolutionizing laundry day: detergent sheets. These innovative products are not just convenient, they're also eco-friendly alternatives to traditional liquid detergents. We've tested dozens of options to bring you the top 5 best laundry detergent sheets that will make your laundry routine easier and greener. Starting at number 5, we have Shout Color Catcher Sheets. While this isn't a detergent itself, it's a game-changing companion product that deserves a spot on our list. Priced at $14.79 for 72 sheets, these innovative sheets prevent color bleeding between garments, allowing you to wash mixed colors together without worry. You'll need just one sheet for regular loads and two for heavy or dark loads, making it an excellent value at just 21 cents per sheet. It's the perfect complement to any detergent sheet in your laundry routine. Coming in at number 4 is Air Jungle's Laundry Detergent Sheets, our best budget-friendly option. At just $9.99 for 50 sheets, it offers incredible value at 20 cents per sheet. The Flora Bliss scent provides a pleasant freshness without being overwhelming. Each package can handle up to 100 loads when using half sheets for small loads, and the completely plastic-free packaging makes it an environmentally conscious choice. While it's a newer brand with fewer user reviews, and the scent might be too subtle for some users, it's perfect for travelers and those with limited storage space. Our number 3 spot goes to Laundry Detergent Sheets Ocean Breeze, priced at $16.99 for 32 sheets. These sheets pack a powerful stain-removing formula that works effectively in all washer types. The hypoallergenic formula is particular on clothes, and they offer a fragrance-free option perfect for those with sensitive skin. While they're slightly pricier at 53 cents per sheet and come with fewer sheets per package, the quality and versatility make them a solid choice. Taking second place is Arm & Hammer Power Sheets, a product from a trusted household name that delivers consistent results. At $16.79 for 50 sheets, these fresh linen-scented sheets offer up to 100 loads of cleaning power. The formula works exceptionally well on both dark and white clothing, maintaining the trusted Arm & Hammer cleaning standard we've come to expect. While the mid-range price point of 34 cents per sheet and slightly slower dissolution in cold water might be considerations, the brand reliability and cleaning power make these sheets a strong contender. And now for our top pick, Earthbreeze Laundry Detergent Sheets, priced at $15.99 for 30 sheets. Despite the higher price point of 53 cents per sheet, these sheets earn our highest recommendation through superior cleaning power in both hot and cold water. The dermatologist-tested hypoallergenic formula comes in eco-friendly packaging, and their charitable giving program donates 10 loads per purchase to those in need. While you might need an extra sheet for heavily soiled loads, the fresh but not overwhelming scent and exceptional cleaning power make these sheets worth the investment. When comparing these options, we considered several key factors: price per sheet, number of loads, eco-friendliness, cleaning power, scent options, and special features. While Earthbreeze leads the pack with superior cleaning power and eco-friendly commitment, each option offers unique benefits. Air Jungles provides excellent value for budget-conscious consumers, while Arm & Hammer delivers the reliability of a trusted household name. Before we wrap up, remember to check the description below for links to all products mentioned. These are affiliate links, and your purchases help support our channel at no additional cost to you. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe and the notification bell to stay updated with more Smart Choice reviews. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment letting us know which detergent sheets you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching Smart Choice. See you in the next review.